Hello, my Pokemasters, my Dungeon owners, and my Cookie Kids. We are starting Doodle God today. So, yeah, we're playing Doodle God today and we're starting the basics. I just skipped the tutorial for now. I do that in every game, so yeah, there is that. Okay, so now we're gonna do. My sisters are choosing an element. Choose one of these four. Okay. And the other? You cannot choose fire. Well, you can, but yeah. So you gonna light up the swamp on fire. Fire plus water is done. So you cannot do that. Play. You cannot do fire, lava plus fire. That will make nothing. You wanna see? Lava plus water. I have done that. Alright. I did that already. Lava plus air. That turns stone. I already have stone, so that does not count. Steam plus sand does nothing. Steam plus stone. Air plus earth. Air plus earth. That turns dust. We created dust. Now, I'll do one. I need to create a storm. Wait, let me see. First beginning. Storm. Continue. The storm is gonna be easy. Advertisement, sorry. We came back again. Sorry, guys. What the heck? What the heck happened? Okay. Lagginess even happens in this game. I did not see that coming. Water plus air is equal to steam. I already have that. Alright, let's see. Stone plus lava. Stone plus fire. I got metal! This is a good start right here. A super good one to be exact. So I need to do things with the air. Air plus water. That is steam, alright. Dust plus swamp. Dust plus water. Air plus swamp. Steam plus swamp. I wanna do things with the swamp now. Metal plus swamp. Advertisements. I'm back, alright. So let's do something with the metal. Metal plus lava. Metal plus fire. Sand plus lava. Fire. That's gonna create glass. Alright. We are on an awfully good start here. Alright. So what are we gonna do next? Yeah, air plus water. So which one of these do you want to choose? No, this does not happen with nothing. I tried it. That does not do anything. Done. That's already done. So now I am gonna do one thing. Not fire. Oh yeah. I'm gonna light the swamp on fire. I'm gonna light the swamp on lava. I'm gonna... Sorry. Again with the advertisement. Okay guys, we are back again. Okay, continue. I've got an idea. Oh, what can I do here? I want infinite reactions, but I cannot do it. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna buy some reactions, and after that, I'm gonna do a lot of grinding with the thingies, with the quest. Alright, we back. Sorry. It was too much interruption. I have an idea. Okay, you created life. Now it's my turn. Energy plus air is equal to a storm. I got my quest. Nice. Continue. Alright, alright. Now it's your turn. BTW, I'm talking to my sister. You're bringing a storm to a swamp. Advertisements. 5 minutes
How to start
of
training
recording
on IQ
and
option.
4 advertisements already. Man, these ads are irritating. Alright. Ash plus water. No. Ash plus swamp. Storm plus swamp. Storm plus steam. No. Storm can make nothing. I know that because I've played this game before. You can do nothing with it. Another advertisement. What the? I'm back. Sorry. Do you wanna try any of these? Swamp plus life. You are creating life. Bacteria. Now it's my turn. Bacteria. Bacteria on earth. Bacteria plus sand. Bacteria plus. What about we make life in the water? Plankton! We created plankton! Now there are cute little creatures in water. Sorry guys. Bye! Bye 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 bye. Tara 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 tara. Ay.